Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the second part of this topic, double angle identity. We said that for the double angle identities, we have three main identities. These are sine to alpha, which is equal to 2 sine alpha cosine alpha. Cosine to alpha, it has three forms. It can be written as cosine square minus sine square, or it is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square alpha, or it can be written as 2 cosine square alpha minus 1. For tangent to alpha, is equal to 2 tangent alpha divided by 1 minus tangent square alpha. So we are going to use the double angle to find tangent to alpha or sine cosine to alpha from some given trigonometric value. For example, in these questions, say question number 9, I need to find the exact value of sine to alpha, cosine to alpha, and tangent to alpha given the following information. Cosine alpha equal to minus 4 over 5, where alpha is between 90 to 180. Alpha is in the second quadrant. So to find cosine to alpha, I can use this identity, 2 cosine square alpha minus 1. But if I want to find sine to alpha, sine to alpha is equal to 2 sine alpha cosine alpha. We need to find sine alpha so that we can find sine to alpha is not given, so we have to find it. Now, since we are given the alpha is in the second quadrant, we know that cosine alpha, which is equal to minus 4 over 5, this is x over r. This means x is minus 4, because in the second quadrant x is negative, and r equal to 5. So we need to find y. Y is given, and y in the second quadrant is positive. So y will be plus square root of r square minus x square, which is equal to 25 minus 16. This will give me square root of 9, which is equal to 3. So y equal to 3. From this one, we can find sine alpha. Sine alpha, which is y over r, equal to 3 over 5. Also, I need to find tangent. Tangent alpha, which is y over x, that will be minus 3 over 4. Now I have sine alpha, I have tangent alpha, we can find sine to alpha, cosine to alpha, and tangent to alpha. So number 1, cosine to alpha, which is equal to, I will use this identity, 2 cosine square alpha minus 1, which is 2 multiplied by cosine alpha given to be minus 4 over 5, it is this one. So it is minus 4 over 5 square minus 1. This will be 2 multiplied by 16 over 25 minus 1, which is 32 over 25 minus 1, or minus 25 over 5, it will be 7 over 25. By combine the fractions, I will have 32 minus 25 will give me 7 over 25. This is cosine to alpha. Now the second one, number 2, sine of 2 alpha. That is given to be 2 sine alpha multiplied by cosine alpha. This is equal to 2 multiplied by sine alpha is 4 over 5, and cosine alpha, so this is 3. This is sine, 3. So this is 3 over 5 multiplied by cosine, which is minus 4 over 5. And this will be 2, will be minus 24 over 25. For the third one, tangent to alpha, this is equal to 2 multiplied by tangent alpha divided by 1 minus tangent square. Which is equal to 2 multiplied by tangent given by minus 3 over 4. So it is 2 multiplied by minus 3 over 4 divided by 1 minus square. It will be minus 3 over 4 square. And this can be simplified more. So this is how to find cosine to alpha, sine to alpha, and tangent to alpha. So another example. For that, we are given tangent alpha equal to minus 24 over 7, and alpha is in the fourth quadrant. This is quadrant 4. This is alpha, it is in the fourth quadrant. So I need to find cosine to alpha, sine to alpha, and tangent to alpha. But to find sine and cosine, we have to find sine alpha and sine to alpha. We know that tangent alpha, which is equal to minus 24 over 7 equal to y over x. In the fourth quadrant, we have x is negative, x is positive and x is positive and y is negative. It means x will be positive 7 and y equal to minus 24. Because y is negative in the fourth quadrant. Now what is missing is r. R is not given, so I have to find r. So we have y is, I can say, minus 24, this point, and x is plus 7, and r is given by square root of x square plus y square, which is equal to square root of 7 square is 49 plus 24 square, this will give me 576. Which is equal to square root of 625, which is equal to 25. So r is equal to 25. We have r. So I can find now sine theta or sine alpha, which is y over r. That will be minus 24 over 25. Cosine alpha, it is x over r. That will be 7 over 25. And tangent is already given, minus 24 over 7. Now I can find the first one, sine of 2 alpha, which is equal to 2 sine alpha multiplied by cosine alpha, and this is equal to 2 multiplied by sine alpha is minus 24 over 25 multiplied by 7 over 25. 7 times 24 will be 168 multiplied by 2. That will be about 136. Okay, it will be minus 336. 7 times 24 is 178. Or 168 multiplied by 2, that will be 336. Divided by 625. So this is sine to alpha. For cosine to alpha, which is equal to 2 multiplied by cosine square alpha minus 1. This is 2 multiplied by cosine was given by 7 over 25 square minus 1. That will be 2 times 49 is 98 divided by 625 minus 1, and this will be negative 625 will be 527. So cosine to alpha is minus 527 divided by 625. Last one is the tangent. So alpha, which is equal to 2 multiplied by tangent of alpha divided by 1 minus tangent square. Which is equal to 2 multiplied by tangent. Tangent is already given in the question as to be minus 24 over 7 divided by 1 minus 24 divided by 7 square. This will give me minus 48 over 7 divided by 1 minus 576 over 49, which can be simplified more. So this is how to find tangent of 2 alpha. So from given information, tangent or sine and cosine, and which quadrant is the terminal side of the given angle, we can find cosine to alpha, sine to alpha, and tangent of 2 alpha.